Welcome to the project demonstration of auto protection of power sharing transformer for different loads. In this project we are using two step down transformers, here we can see, and also using PIC microcontroller, LCD display, two loads for the supply for the transformers. These loads are DC loads, and also we are using bridge rectifier or also converter, and here we can see the voltage sensor, and here we can see 10 watt resistor, and also using relay, and here we can see the mini converter which converts 220 AC voltage to 5 volts of DC. So that 5 volts of DC will be given to this PIC microcontroller, and also it will distribute power to this LCD and relay. So we are providing the power supply through this power cable which takes 230 volts of AC. That AC will be given to this rectifier, and also parallelly giving to these transformers. So here we can see these transformers are connected in parallel to these loads. So here we can see 10 watt resistor which is connected in series with this secondary transformer output side, and we are connecting this voltage in parallel with this 10 watt resistor. So this secondary output supply will be given to this bridge rectifier which converts AC to DC. So that DC output will be given to this DC loads. Here we can see the DC loads, LCD LED lights. So now we are providing the power supply. So here we can see the welcome to the project display. So now it is normal load. If I switch this switch again, so this light will be glow, and this, so it becomes load will be more. So even that time relay will be get switched on. So here we can see load sharing. So now it is sharing the load to this transformer. In this way this project will be works.